Good morning. Welcome to the program Elway Suba. Today we present four important news. First, a special on wetlands and moorlands. 2. The indefinite strike continues due to the improper handling of President on his proposals, as the protesters mentioned. 3. I call created in the government to help people who require psychological help totally free help. 4. Aliens were found who went then the president of Uribe, sorry, Duque. First, we will have a guest who talk to us about the protection wetlands and moorlands. Accompany them.
The wetlands and moorlands are vital to human survival. They are one of the most productive environments in the world. And air clades are biological diversity and source of water and the primitive productivity on which countless plant and animal species depend for their subsistence. Wetlands and moorlands and independence. Wetlands and moorlands are independent safe for a myriad benefits of ecosystem service they provide to humanity for the source of fresh water, food, and building materials and biodiversity to flood control, groundwater rechange, and climate change mitigation. Yet, study after study shows that Williams and Moorlands area and quality continues to decline in most regions of the world. Consequently, the ecosystem services that Williams and Moorlands provide to people are at risk. The convention applies a broad definition of wetlands and moorland, covering all lakes and rivers, underground aquifers, swamps, and marshes, with grasslands, peatlands, oases. So, there is consensus in Colombian society about the importance of the moorlands and wetlands and the need to protect them. Indeed, this ecosystem supplies fresh water to millions of people, harbor strategic biodiversity, and play a fundamental role in the health against climate change. Half of the moorlands and wetlands are in Colombia and provides 70% of the country's drinking water. National regulations are clean in protecting the moorlands and wetlands by prohibiting mining activities, among others. Says that the moorlands areas are subject to special protection and that the use of water for human consumption is prevalent. The adoption of a strict delimitation of moorlands is likely to generate social and economic effects. However, these effects don't exaggerate those on yielding high impact activities such as mining in the moorlands and wetlands, particularly for provision of fresh water. So, what can we do to protect wetlands and moorlands? Visit them and make more people know to wetlands and moorlands, mainly children and young people. 2. Disseminate the importance of environmental and ecosystem benefits and services that wetlands and moorlands provide to the street, the territory, the community, and the planet. 3. Organize wetlands and moorland environmental service committees. The love recovery activities, cleaning days, contamination diagnostic, biodiversity mapping, environmental signage. Make visible of communities that depend of wetlands and moorlands so that they are part of recovery and management process. Synthesize and disseminate to the story of each wetlands and moorlands and promote scientific research with aliens without losing sight of the control with local knowledge. Thanks you. Bye.
Thanks you very much of chooses us. Bye.